Deep within the earth, the journey of gold begins.
Raw gold ore is extracted in massive quantities.
The ore begins its journey to refinement. Raw stone enters the first stage of transformation. Massive crushers reduce the ore to manageable size. The material flows deeper into the system. The ore is refined into smaller fragments. Now, the gold begins to separate from stone. The ore is ground into fine particles to unlock hidden gold.
Water transforms crushed ore into a flowing mixture.
Chemicals begin separating gold from stone.
Gold dissolves into a chemical solution.
Carbon captures the precious metal.
Gold-rich carbon is separated from waste. Heat releases gold from carbon. Now, pure gold exists within liquid form.
Electric currents pull gold out of solution. Pure gold begins to appear on metal surfaces.
The gold is carefully extracted from the system. Concentrated gold takes physical form.
Heat removes moisture from raw gold.
Solid gold transforms into molten brilliance. Liquid gold is shaped into bars. The gold solidifies into its final form.
Impurities are washed away from the surface. Mechanical brushing refines the surface. Clean water restores the natural shine.
Heat removes all remaining moisture.
Each bar begins to shine.
Every detail is carefully inspected.
The bars move toward precision finishing. Precision begins with perfect alignment. Powerful machines prepare to mark the gold.
Each bar receives its official identity. Every bar is uniquely tracked and recorded.
Purity and weight are permanently marked. The metal stabilizes after intense pressure.
Edges are refined for a flawless finish.
Now the gold enters high-tech automation. Automation brings precision to every movement of gold. Robots handle gold with flawless accuracy.
Every surface is scanned at a microscopic level. Each bar is verified for exact weight.
Smart systems sort gold with precision.
Perfect stacks are built by machine precision. Each bar is digitally tracked and recorded.
The gold moves toward its final perfection.
Precision polishing enhances the brilliance of gold.
The gold achieves a mirror-like finish.
Edges are refined to perfection. Even invisible particles are removed.
A protective layer preserves the gold.
Human precision perfects machine work. The gold is presented in its finest form. Final verification ensures absolute perfection. Every bar enters strict laboratory control.
Surface perfection is examined in detail. Advanced technology reveals gold purity.
Every gram is precisely verified. Even internal flaws cannot hide. Chemical testing confirms true composition.
Certification guarantees authenticity.
Now, the gold is ready for final delivery.
Each bar is secured in protective casing. Airtight sealing preserves quality.
Authenticity is documented with every bar. Brand identity marks every piece.
Digital tracking ensures traceability.
The gold is prepared for shipment. The journey nears its final stage.
Finished gold is secured under strict protection.
Stanley 2000 acute for Les Cavalgo. Every shipment is digitally tracked.
Heavy loads are prepared for transport.
The gold begins its global journey.
From factory to markets worldwide.
Gold travels across land, sea, and air.
And this is how modern factories produce gold bars from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.